What's up, folks? Tony's morning update, July 16th. So open, close, red dot there. Dip down. Well, we ripped up and then came back down. Tapped that 65 late on the day. That was kind of that level that I was watching yesterday to see. And if we broke that, I think that we would have at least tapped 47 to clean up those singles down there. So still, that's going to be a good level to watch. They stick saved it, and popped it back up. Anyway, so here we are, overnight low 73, overnight high 94. We really need above that 96 to get going. And then above 08, we run back towards the highs, that 07, 08 area. Interesting park at 718, but I figured we'd get into the 20 or 30. Main target would be 750 just because of the whole numbers there, or a round number on SPX. So 65 would be support, but I'm really looking at that 62. So we could do 65, 62, then 47, and then we're going to get this 2732 area down below. That should be major support. If that breaks, then, adios. But this is kind of shaping up either a consolidation day or maybe a grind higher. These swings have been excellent. I've enjoyed them quite a bit. We'll see if that continues today or if we just kind of calm down a little bit into waiting for later in the week, the data. 90 is your pivot. That's perfect. 89 is really the number, 89.90. 57.16, I like that. 2 under yesterday's high. 44. 69, these are okay. This 62, 61 area is going to be important. 60, 62, or 65, 62, if you will. We'll see if that holds. That lines up with my magic green line, which has been holding for quite a while here. These wicks indicate to me that they're stick saving this bottom, right? So we'll get down and then they'll right back up, right back up, right back up. So to me, we're still in bullish stature where they're hunting stops down below and then squeezing it right back up. It's just instead of that 5-point dip rip 10, we're actually having some follow through with the downside. So just understand that right now there hasn't been extreme follow through where we just get a sell off event, but it's been an interesting trade. So. But again, I mean, with these swings, I would assume today, at least I'm looking at that as a consolidation day. Here's our daily, well above the 50-day. Again, are we bull flagging for a move higher? Why not? We're into earnings anyway. That's typically bullish. Again, 18 is your high. Pivot's 38 on the monthly. 02 is your monthly low. We'll check SPX. Yesterday dipped down right at the end there and cleaned up the cash gap. In my mind, when they clean and they repair like that, that's fairly bullish. So that spike down was right into the cash gap, and then we moved a little bit higher, ripped higher right after that. You still have this cash gap down here at 55.90 to 84, and then a 2.1 down here at 74 to 72. So I'd watch those, but. We'll see how this day transacts. I don't know. Euro is still pumping strong. So I still kind of think this is a head and shoulders. I want to see above that at least a 109.5 to see if that has an extension to go. If not, we'll reverse back down and come back down. NVIDIA up a little. ES up 8. NASDAQ up 44, Dow up 40, and Russell up another 20. This is crazy. I mean, look, here's the daily. Look at this rip on the Russell. So you're through R1 as of now. R2's 49, R2's 79. Now, I haven't traded this in a while, but my God, that's crazy. So I'm going to start keeping a look on this and see if this ever retraces back. I want to see how far they take this up. But this is nuts. Anyway, I will be around. Stay safe. And again, I'm thinking consolidation day today, but we'll see how the open treats us and any economic news. I think there's a Fed speaker and retail sales.